Hello everyone, in this video let's see how to adjust the speed of the video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can let's open the Adobe Premiere Pro. It will take some time. I will show you how you can adjust certain clips with certain speed. So let's see how we can do this in Adobe Premiere Pro. Yeah, this is the UI to import the project and create the project. Let's click on File, New. Let's click on this project. Here I will be importing one video. This is the previous video I created, and this is also related to Adobe Premiere Pro. You can watch this video. So how you can create YouTube shorts in Adobe Premiere Pro. That is the video I created this. You can watch it in my previous videos. From here, so I just found the clip. From here I want this duration of this video to be speed. I want to adjust the speed. So for that you need to click on this razor tool. Select the point at which second you want to video this to be speed, or you need to
This will
make
take
slow. Yes, from here to here I will select. So I just selected from there till here. Here you can select the length of the video according to your area. So I want this to be speed. I want to increase the speed of this clip. For this, if you click on this, you need to select this like this. You just need to click on left mouse button and you just need to drag while clicking the left button. After this, right click on mouse and click on this speed duration, and here it is showing 4 seconds the total speed of this clip. I'm going to make this as 1 second. You can also click on one and like this you can select. Also you can just slide like this, swipe. Okay, I'm going to make this as 1 second. Okay, let's click OK. And this is the remaining space. This video is just compressed, right? So this is the remaining space. You can just click on and right click. You can just repel delete like this, and let's see. Now here you can see this fast speed of this video is
this will
just
take some time.
from here it is showing like this. Let me show you once again. Click on this razor tool. I am going to add another clip. I'm going to make another clip speed from here till here. I'm going to using this. Let's select this and right click. Here you can see the option speed duration, and now you need to decrease the speed, not to increase but to decrease. I'm going to make this as 2 seconds. Yes, okay. Right now it is, yes, okay. 2 seconds 16 milliseconds. So you need to drag and drop. Oh no, we don't need to drag and drop. Right click, repel delete. This is how it can occupies this remaining space. Right now let's see, let's play it. See,
So
the speed of this video is just increased. So this is how you can increase the speed of a certain clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. Yeah, thanks for watching.